Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Chef Vic Cuisine. Today, we're going to be making some cilantro lime chicken skewers. Now, the best thing about this dish is that you don't need a grill to make it. So it's going to be cookout season all year long with this amazing dish. So, let's get started. For the ingredients, you're going to need 2 large chicken breasts. You're going to need half a large red onion, 1 red bell pepper, 1 green bell pepper, and some salt and pepper to taste. For the marinade, you need 1 cup of roughly chopped cilantro, 2 green onion stalks, 2 cloves of garlic, the zest of 1 lime and the juice of the same lime. You're going to need 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, 2 teaspoons of chili oil, and finally for the garnish, you're going to need some additional chopped cilantro and lime wedges. So you're going to start by dicing the onion into big pieces, roughly 2 to 2.5 inches around or so, and separate the layers. Next, dice the bell peppers about the same size. Toss the onions and both the green and red peppers together in a large size bowl. Now, season the chicken with a thin layer of salt and pepper and press the seasoning into the flesh of the chicken on both sides. You're going to then dice the chicken breast into roughly the same size cubes as you had the vegetables and add them to the same large bowl. Once you cut the chicken, make sure you add some additional salt and pepper to cover the exposed parts of the flesh. Next up is making the marinade. So you're going to roughly chop the cilantro leaves and place them into a food processor. Now zest about half a lime for freshness. Following that, chop the green onions and garlic cloves and add them to the food processor as well. And add the juice of the whole lime to the processor bowl. Finally, add the soy sauce, sesame and chili oil, and then pulse the processor until it's smooth. You'll then end up with the liquid marinade that you want to pour over the chicken, onions, and peppers. You want to mix everything well so that every piece is coated with the marinade. Now cover the bowl with plastic wrap and set it in the fridge for a minimum of 30 minutes and up to a few hours so that the flavors can infuse into the chicken. Once that time is up, you can take the chicken out of the fridge and start the skewering process. So you're going to skewer the peppers, chicken, and onion in this order. You're going to go pepper, chicken, onion, chicken, pepper, chicken, and onion. The way I remember it is to think PCO, CPC, PCO, if that helps ordering it in your head. Each skewer will have 4 pieces of chicken, and you want to alternate the colors of the bell peppers you use on the skewer as well, going back and forth between using the green and red bell pepper. So with these chicken skewers, you have the option of either grilling them or cooking them in the oven. I'm going to show you guys how to cook them in the oven, so you wouldn't need a grill. If you don't have a grill, in a very hot pan or a skillet set to about 450 degrees Fahrenheit or the highest setting you can, spray the pan lightly with a non-stick spray. At this point, you can start preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. So what you're going to want to do is sear the skewers on each side for about a few seconds to add some color and that char that you're looking for from on a grill. And then you're going to place these on an aluminum wrapped baking sheet Once you have them all done, you can place them in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and they're gonna cook for 15 minutes. Once the time is up, remove them from the oven, and you can serve these skewers with some fresh chopped cilantro and lime wedges. Sprinkling on some fresh lime juice right before you eat them really enhances the flavor. And there you have it. You just made cilantro lime chicken skewers. I really hope you guys enjoy the flavor packed in each bite. It's a really amazing dish. It's one of my favorite go-tos. Thank you all so much for watching, and make sure to check out my previous video and stay tuned for upcoming videos each Friday. Looking forward to building with you all. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and let me know in the comments how your dishes turn out. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on another episode of Chef Vic Cuisine. Peace.